Hello, in this video we'll look at new tool called Google LM, and this tool is needed to get extra information from sources that we need for some kind of task. So let's look at the Google LM. Google LM is a Google product. It's online based and it's made on their platform. So here we will just try Google LM, and when you start, here is your notebooks. Every notebook should be a new topic, a new research for your task. So to start, we just push create new notebook, and here is the first interface. For now, let's close this window and look at the whole picture. Here on the left we have sources. It means everything from which you want to get your information. Here in the center is a chat window where you can write something. Because we don't have any sources, it's disabled right now. And here on the right there is a studio tab or window that you can do additional things. So firstly, you can hide sub windows. Here on the left you can change your output language. For now it's default, but you can change it if you want to. For simplicity's sake, we'll keep it in English. So let's look at the sources a little bit. Here you have few buttons. First button is add button. Then it opens this kind of window, and here you have multiple possibilities. For one, you can just discover sources. You write here some kind of topic and put submit. So and Google will use their AI algorithms to find the needed sources. Here you have different sources, and by checking them you can include them in your AI notebook. Let's just close it. So additionally you have ability to upload some kind of PDFs or books, MP files and pictures and so on and so on. And the bottom you have integration with Google Drive. It means you can add Google Docs, you can add Google Slides and so on. The good point is that if you add, for example, Google Docs, and at some point you update these Google Docs in some way, then you can update your notebook LM, and notebook will get the additional information. Here you have links for websites, YouTube and so on, and you can just copy the text. When you have some sources, here is you can chat, interact with your AI, and the right side is additional functions. It means you can get AI summary in audio format based on your sources. So additionally you have ability to get notes, study guides, briefing docs and so on. So to start, let's go back to chat. Firstly, we just copy our prompt building prompt and start. So it's asked us what we want to know, and we just copy same topic that we had yesterday. For additional information, I just add few keywords and just paste it. If we want, we can iterate this prompt and get more specific, but for our example we should just copy the prompt and leave it somewhere where we can access. So now that we have a second prompt, for example, we can just take it, open new window, paste it and see the first result. And now we can use AI to get full result if we want, but for this task we should just use it to find additional information. For next step, we just take a new window and take the new prompt. So in this prompt we need some kind of a textbooks or some kind of additional information. So I will just take same topic. I want to find PDFs based on my main topic and just copy it in chat window. For additional information I will just go back and copy the iterated prompt, and here, to be safe, I just take out first topic, first instruction. I write enter. Now AI will look around, look for sources based on a specific topic, and here the output is table, more than sources that we need, and here we have different PDFs. So here I took the first link, and I have, for example, 15 pages of data that I need. For this I will just download copy. So for now I found 3 books that I will need that is relevant to my topic. For next step I will open the Google LM and add those sources. So when I added the sources, Google LM will read them through, understand what is the inside and how to use them in my topic. So for now we see that here is a checklist that Google LM found everything that we added and understood it. For next step we can try to find discover and find similar sources. To describe what we need, we probably need to go back to our prompt and just copy it here. So right now we see that there are quite many sources. We can read them, understand, but we will just import all of them. So we have some sources we can add additionally, but the main point is that we have limit of 15 sources. It means we have 13. We can add at least many sources additionally. But for this example we just use as we have, and here is a center of our chat. So we can do several things. Add notes. Add notes, it means they will take this text that we have here and we can save it to use later. Second is audio interview, audio overview. It means when we push this generate button, it will generate podcast based on our sources. It means when you add sources, they will get additional information and have additional podcast features. So here we have additionally mind map function. When we push the mind map button, LM will read through our sources and will generate mind map based on all our sources. The good thing is that you can generate multiple mind maps, and for example for one source and for multiple sources. Here when the mind map is ready we can open it and we see this kind of mind map. It means we can, for example, open further, see all the topics, for example impacts, and for example economy. And here, for example, if we don't understand some topic, for example consequences, we just push this button and we will return to the chat window, and here we get dedicated prompt to get information from our sources based on our topic that we need. Here we see that Google LM generated us the answer that we need. Here is full text, And the good thing is that when we see some statements, for example here, we can, for example, go to this bubble and see the full text where it's taken. And if we need further information, we can just put it here, and on the left it opens the place where its information is taken. It means all the information is taken from our sources, nothing is taken from outside. Here we have, when we have some answer, we can save it to the note, and everything is saved to the note, and we can reuse it next time. Here on the right we have study guide. When we push it, Google LM will look at our sources and generate study guide that we can use to learn something new. Here on the right we generated study guide, and here, for example, we have question and we have answer, and so on and so on. We can use it as it is for students, give them answers and questions and see how they learn, or we can generate some specific things. So for next step, we'll go back to the previous chat window where we imported our master prompt, and here we have, for example, our first paragraph. We just copy it, go back to our chat window and just paste it. So to use it again, we just take this thing that Google LM generated, copy it, open new window, and just paste it as it is. Here, before we can go back to our topics, we get main topic. Similarly, we can take second topic, just copy it, go back here and go back to the Google LM and just paste it as it is. Here Google LM generated a lot of information, and at this point we just copy it and put it in the here in an additional Word document. And the third point, again, we just copy it, go back on Word document, and additionally paste it on our Google LM. So here we have additional information. We just take it and put it here in our Google Docs. So we can continue this practice to get our full text, but as we see, this text is not connected. For this, we just save just our first draft, and we go back to the chat window, open it, and I just pasted my first draft to the ChatGPT and asked it to write it. So here is maybe get it a little bit context. So we used firstly OpenAI chat to get a good prompt. Then we use it again to get better sources. Then we used Google LM to extract data from these sources and generate first draft. And we use this first draft to generate the final draft. And now we can see that the text is connected and based on real sources. And if we want, we can continue this task and get a little bit more information. So here is in Google LM, you have additional studio functionalities. We looked at the study guide. We can additionally get briefing docs, facts, and so on. In the first note, we can have briefing doc. It means it gets all the needed information for our sources. And here we have frequently asked questions that we can just read and get our summary. Additionally, we have here audio podcast. When you play the button for 60 minutes, Google LM will get you summary of all the sources. If you want, you can get interactive mode. It means when you play it, you can interact with the AI and ask additional questions. So this was Google LM. We can use it to get real data from real sources. It's all based on our sources that we give our Google LM. We can use it to get new information from sources. We can combine it. We can use mind map functionality to get most of our information, and we can use it to get new ideas for our study materials.